I haven't seen one video or one service that shows you, based on how much money you want to make each year, what size company or what size investment should you be looking at. So someone who's bought and sold multiple companies and coached hundreds of people to do it, the first question I ask someone is, well, how much money do you want to make? 100 grand, 200 grand. A lot of people have a specific strategy. I want to replace my W-2. I want to supplement my income. I want to replace my wife or my partner's salary so they can stay home or we can both stay home. And so you first have to start there. The challenge here is most people don't understand that 100K that you want to make is not saying, okay, now I need to go buy a 100K business. You actually need to be thinking about taxes, the debt on the business, what I call cash reserves, which is like actual savings, the working capital, the cash needed to fund the day-to-day operations of the business. So I create a quick tool that I'm going to show you called a take-home pay calculator. It reverse engineers based on you wanting to make 100K or 200K, all the variables like the taxes that you pay, the rate that you pay, how much you want to have in savings, and then it reverse engineers the size of the business, the minimum profit you need to be buying, an average purchase price for that. So let's go through that. So I've got 100K. I've got my take-home pay calculator, and I've put in 100K. I've got my tax rate here. Let's say you're in maybe the 20% bracket. I want to keep 10% as a reserve. That means I'm going to keep at least 13K in the bank at all times for the business. I'm not changing anything here. This is all standard terms. Focus here. I need to be buying a business doing $298,000 in profit for roughly a purchase price of $893,000. Now, that can be financed in a myriad of ways. We talk about that all the time, but the focus is $298. You want to make 100, given all of these features and variables, $298. So that's pretty common. About 30% of the actual profit of the business is going to fall to you, the bottom line, after taxes, debt, and cash reserves. Understand that number and then use that as your minimum filter when you're searching for businesses.